Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel at ETL SQL Q&A station. And in this session, we'll see what is the SAVEPOINT, grant, and revoke. The SAVEPOINT manage the transaction safely. SAVEPOINT used to set a point in a transaction for partial rollback. It helps to undo part of a transaction without rolling back everything. The SAVEPOINT helps to set a point within a transaction that you can roll back to without affecting the entire transactions. The second one is grant. Grant is giving the access or permission to user on database objects. So it allows user to access or modify the data. Revoke used to remove permission from a user. It removes only specific permissions which previously granted to user. It removes only the specific permissions which are the mentions. In the summary, you can say SAVEPOINT mark the rollback point, which is partial transaction controls. Grant gives the permission, allow access to objects, and revoke is remove permission, take away access from user. I hope the video found you more valuable. So please subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.